Captain Smiley Fishing Charters is happy to present Palmetto Kids Fishing Camps. It's open to kids 9 to 17 years old during the summer from June to the end of August. Some of the things we do during the camp are river sweeps that create awareness by filling trash sculptures from the items picked up by the kids. This is a great environment for your kids to be social and have a great time through fishing. We work on boating skills such as safety and navigation, even point out historical things about our area. Our Coast Guard certified captains teach the kids boating safety and etiquette. Every day is different, every day is an adventure. We'll teach your kids how to identify saltwater species of fish, tie hooks, cast, learn to throw cast nets. We even pick up crab pots.